Tablets have been a sought-over piece of tech nowadays for either entertainment, productivity, or both. Whether you're an artist who draws, a student who takes down notes, or someone who doesn't want to bring a laptop around, these large portable screens make lives easier depending on who you're talking to. So, you're here because you need a tablet but you've got less than 20,000 pesos on you. We got you, dude! Hey guys, CJ here of Yuga Tech, and today, we're gonna check out the best tablets under 20,000 pesos as of November 2023. And so without further ado, let's get this video rolling. First up is the Honor Pad X9. This is the cheapest one at this price point, but it does offer a lot regardless. It features an 11.5-inch TFT LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the brains behind the operation is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset underneath. This thing's got 6 speakers, which makes the sound that comes out of the pad loud and clear. It has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage available. It also features a 5MP rear camera, 5MP selfie shooter, and a large 7,250 mAh battery. The Honor Pad X9 currently goes for a retail price of 11,990 pesos and only has a space gray colorway available. What's interesting is that at this price point, not only do you get the tablet, but you also get it paired with a free magnetic keyboard. Pretty neat. Next is the Realme Pad 2, which features a MediaTek Helio G99 processor with 2 variants for memory and storage. 6GB of RAM with 108GB of internal storage, or 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. If you need more RAM, you can get an additional 8GB of RAM with dynamic RAM expansion, which is also known as virtual RAM. It also has a large 11.5-inch IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 120Hz and comes with quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The Pad 2 comes with a 5MP rear camera and an 8MP AI front shooter. It got a huge 8,360 mAh battery with 33W Super VOOC charging. It can last about 2 days with casual use and comes in 2 colorways, Inspiration Green and Imagination Gray. All that comes in at just 13,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB model. And spending a bit extra gets you the upgraded 8GB plus 256GB variant at just 17,999 pesos. The last one in this list comes from Huawei with the MatePad 11.5 that just arrived in August. Based on the name of the tablet, it features an 11.5-inch TFT LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Underneath, it's powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 108GB of storage. It comes with a 13MP rear shooter, an 8MP front camera, and a 7,700 mAh battery. It only comes in a space gray colorway. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 currently retails for 14,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB Wi-Fi model and 17,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB LTE variant. It also comes free with PC-level WPS Office pre-installed. If you're able to shell out a bit more, you can get the 8GB plus 128GB Wi-Fi version for 19,999 pesos, which not only gets you the free PC-level WPS Office, but also a detachable magnetic keyboard, which is nifty for users looking for a tablet for productivity. An honorable mention, but was just out of reach for this budget, is the Xiaomi Pad 6. It features an 11-inch WQHD+ LCD display and a high 144Hz refresh rate. Underneath, it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G chipset with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. It also features a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP selfie shooter. It runs on 8,840 mAh battery with 33W wired charging support. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is priced at 20,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB version, while the 256GB variant costs 21,999 pesos. So if you really want this tablet for less than 20k, keep your eyes peeled for any sales. And that's about it for this list of tablets under 20k as of November 2023. What did you think of our list? Which one are you getting? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!